Alarm going off. Is that?
It's my alarm out there on the end. When you walk up, it makes a noise.
Oh, okay. Good morning. I hear an alarm going off. Is that?
It's my alarm out there on the end. When you walk up, it makes a noise.
Oh, okay. I didn't know if it was my phone or what it was.
She's got these silent. So they won't do it, and she didn't silent setting out there.
Okay.
They're picking up cars. Thank you. I hate wind time. I hate it. I don't care. I can handle the heat. I don't care how hot it gets. I can handle it. But I hate wind time.
Okay.
You ready?
Yes, ma'am. I believe so.
You want a bag?
Oh no, you don't have to worry about that.
Alrighty.
I got this T-shirt, $2.
Okay.
Got a duplicate. I'm assuming it's $1.
Okay.
And then I got this Mickey Mouse shirt, 50 cents. So that's what, $3.50?
Yeah.
You have change?
Yep, I do.
Good, because I just freshly got these out of the bank and they only give me 20s.
Okay. $50.
All right. Yep, that's right. Thank you.
Thank you. I'll get my bags over here, then I won't have to get up.
Well, thank you.
You have a good day.
You too.
How you doing today?
Good. How about yourself?
I'm in there.
I hear you.
Hey, I got you some books that you might be interested in.
All right. I'll take a look.
Those are the cheap books.
Oh, yeah, the World of Warcraft books.
Got all kinds of cheap books in there.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll take a look at them. Well, I think I'm just going to get this Polaroid right here. What?
$3.
$3. I think I can do that. Let me find a spot to set it down at. Let me get my wallet out. Let me see if I have 3 ones. If I don't, I have a 5. You got change for a 5? Uh-oh.
So just throw it down. I'll pick it up. They're stuck together, but I know there's 2 there.
Yep, I see them. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, partner.
Like always, I'll see you next time.
Quick.
The speakers on that really like work. That places that TV can
Let's do it. There's 40.
I'll give them. I think he's just asking $1 for all his.
Okay. Whew, about died walking up that hill.
Ain't it?
I'm too fat for that.
It is a steep hill. I told her, I said, child, you don't live on no hill, you live on a mountain.
Yeah.
Your mama. It's time for that hoodie to come off now.
Yeah, it's getting to that point.
A minute cold, a minute hot.
Yeah, it's that time of year, right?
Yep.
Bonnie, they get gas. I got gas.
Gas.
That was Kendall.
I don't have gas, you sorry. What was Kendall's?
Yes.
Okay.
Unless it's too big or something for her, then we'll just put it on the table and we'll fill it before she can have.
How much on the Funko Pop?
I think it had 2 on the top.
Oh, I see it. Sorry.
I'm half blind. Contacts a week.
I didn't even see it. I looked all around it.
You weak too, that's okay. We understand.
How am I weak?
We're just starting to get old.
And on the GPS here,
Mommy, your GPS?
how much on the GPS?
At least 15. My husband bought it for me and I know nothing about it. I told him I'd throw it out the window.
Did do something crazy about that? You let that one little gray hair out my head tell you.
One gray hair makes 2.
That gray hair made none because I yanked it
You
out.
deliberately pulled it out.
I'm too young for gray hair.
Well, apparently you're not.
Your grandson worried with your dad. That's where that's from.
Maybe your daddy's cousin was a full money. You pulling the wagon, but I don't see nobody in it. You should have a little thing starting there. Just ride them up and down the hill.
Didn't you fall off?
I think I'm going to raise this one more notch, Mama, because I keep putting my head on it.
What was it else? Are we on the floor?
What time you got, Nathan?
Daytime?
9:34.
Are y'all going by the post office right now? You know where the fire department is going that way? Like you're going towards food line? Well, here's food line on this side there, going back towards y'all's house. And there's a building across from there, right behind that building there.
Yeah, but it's not boring.
These 2 right here.
Alright.
10 on the sunglasses and 2 on the Funko Pop.
Alrighty. You need a bag for those?
No, it's fine. I'll carry. There's 2. And there's the 10.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And you have a good day.
You too, ma'am.
Or you running and playing?
She's asleep. Because this one don't sleep, so. They're my kids, so I take care of them. I wake up, they're both like me, they wake up in the morning, she don't, I don't, I mean, this one, she's 10 months, and he's almost 3 years.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, wow. Okay.
She's 3 years younger.
Okay.
They drove up to mine.
50 cents.
And I can put my stuff in here.
Dollar.
See?
It had a pretty fireplace and some things like that. It's pretty cute. Over it, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
What?
How much you selling the Canon for?
$2. It was new in 2004.
It's okay. There's nothing wrong with that.
I took it to Europe.
Hey. What are these?
They're, motorcycle grip.
Oh, motorcycle grips. Okay. Makes sense. How much you selling them for?
$1.
$1?
I got them, and I didn't like the way they,
Felt.
yeah, because I had chrome ones before, and I got those, and I'm just not used to having that feel. So
Yeah. I get it. It's kind of a wide grip too. Okay, we'll do it.
Yeah, they basically got put on, took them back off.
Check this out.
It's like a Mormon tray. Or it keeps that, just keeps that warm.
Yeah.
Her name. Don't wait till you get your car in the way with you. So she's like, oh, bye. He's not having a good morning. Somebody buy the car and go on in. I'm just joking. He's really running. Oh, none of this stuff up here is outside.
The video game stuff you want to sell?
No. I actually have a bunch of stuff that I'm like, one day, not right now.
Well, I'll walk around a little bit and let you think about it.
I used to sell like, I used to work at GameStop, but I used to trade stuff. And I just got a former side, I just kind of hold on to it. Because every now and then I play stuff.
Yeah.
So even if and they don't give you anything, so it's like.
Yeah. I just got an awesome game in this past weekend. Got Godzilla Unleashed for PS2. My son, he can't put it down. He's playing it. I bet you he's playing it right now. Yeah, me too. Yeah, I just picked up it's sitting in my car right now, actually. The jungle green Nintendo 64.
Oh wow, yeah.
All right, so 2, 3, right? And then how much for that?
$1.
3, 4. Ooh, got change for a 20. Sorry, my last place took all my singles.
I think I've got a couple fives. One five. Another one. And that's
Be 16 and 16 back.
10. 5, 10, 50. All right, there you go. 6, 7, 8, 9. 16.
Awesome. Here you go.
You a reseller?
So yeah, I do a little bit of reselling. That's what this is all about. I go around and just film myself and put it on YouTube and buying stuff from yard sales and such.
Yeah.
So
I used to be real big into it. I used to sell on eBay all the ties and stuff. I used to do yard sales and buy clothes. And
nice.
it got to be kind of. I had a huge shed at one point. I worked for an auction house too. So
Yeah.
I got like stuff from there. I think my biggest thing was I bought this painting. I ended up $25, turned around and sold for like $1,500.
Nice. That is a good one.
Hey,
That's
took me a while.
that's not your typical.
No.
That's not your typical flip. That's a good one.
$20 usually, but
Yeah. 10, 20, maybe up to 100. But all right, man. We'll appreciate it.
all right, you take it easy, man.
You too.
Good. I don't know if you remember me. I'm a friend of Jen's.
Oh,
You guys
okay.
picked me up like right
Oh,
before
we just talked about you the other day.